Hey guys, I'm going to do a few problems to review equations within angles to be able to find x. So notice for this one, it makes a right angle. So that means it's together these two angles equal 90 degrees. So we don't know what either angle is, but we can now find what it is to equal to 90 degrees. So we're going to have our 2x plus 14 plus 3x plus 1. Notice it's both together equals 90. So you're going to combine like terms and get 5x plus 15 equals 90. Subtract 15 from both sides. So you get 5x equals 75. Divide both sides by 5. So x equals 15. So what you could do, if I wanted to find this angle with the star, I would plug in 3 times 15 and then add 1. So we would get 45 plus 1 would be 46 degrees for this angle right here. Remember, when you are trying to figure out what the angle is, you plug it in for x and then you just solve it. Now I'm going to do the next one, and this one has two angles that are vertical. Because they're across from each other, they're vertical. They're not adjacent because they're not sharing any line, so they are across from each other, so they're vertical. Therefore, they're congruent. Therefore, they're equal. So they're equal to each other. So 3x plus 2 equals 74. Because remember, we know automatically this one's going to be 74 degrees. We just now need to find x. So you're going to subtract 2 from both sides, and you would get 72 equals 3x. Divide by 3 on both sides, and get x equals 24. And again, you could plug that in. 24 times 3 plus 2 gets you 74 degrees. Now let's try one with a triangle. Remember, all three angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So we know all three are going to equal 180. So we know that 73 plus 60 plus 8x minus 1 equals 180. We combine like terms. We have 8x. All the other constants add up to 132 equals 180. Subtract 132. So 8x equals 48. Divide by 8. We get x equals 6. Okay, and you could always plug that back in and make sure that all three of those angles add up to 180. Just make sure you take the time to really think about, is it adding up to 90? Remember, complementary is going to add up to 90. Supplementary is going to be a line, and that's going to be 180. Vertical are these two, and they are equal. Okay, so make sure you remember those types. Make sure you remember them. Vertical are across from each other, and they're equal to each other. Okay, go ahead and make sure you spend some time reviewing, and I hope you enjoyed this video.